Good morning. Today I will explain the projection of solid. So here the problem is actually a square pyramid. See, you can see the object is a square pyramid. Okay, and the dimensions is given: base 30 mm and height is 60 mm. And this square pyramid rests with one of its base edges on HP. So I will show you. This is the XY line, and this plane is called HP. Okay, and this plane is called VP. So here the square pyramid rests with one of its base edges on HP. So one base edge on HP. Okay, so here I will show you the 3D of a square pyramid. Okay, so this is called this edge. This is called base edge. This is called base edge. Okay, so this base edge is here. This base edge is in HP. Okay, this base edge is one of these base edges in HP, and the axis of the pyramid, axis means the center line of the pyramid, makes an angle of 45 degree with HP. So axis is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal plane. So draw its projections. Okay, so first of all you have to first you have to draw the top view. Okay, so this is the top view direction. This is the top view direction. When you look in the top, you can see the square. Okay, so first you draw the XY line. So you have to, first of all, you have to draw this XY line. This is the first XY line. Then you have to draw this figure. Okay, so this is the first figure. Okay, you have to draw this figure. Okay, then project it and draw the second figure. This is the second figure. This is the front view. Okay, so front view of this object is actually a triangle. Okay, then tilt this object to the left side or right side. So here I am tilting this object to the left side such that this axis makes an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal plane. So you are tilting this object to the right side, okay, with an angle of 45 degree. You can see this inclination. This inclination is 45 degree. Then you have to draw projection lines here. Then draw projection lines from here. Then mark the intersecting points. You have to mark all the intersecting points. Then join all the other points. Join all the outer points. Then complete the edges, total slant edges and base edges. So here you can see this AD is represented in dotted line. This means when you look in the top view, okay, so this is actually the top view. When you look the top view, you can see this edge here. This edge is actually invisible, and the name of this edge is AD. That's why this edge is represented in dotted line. Okay, so you have to draw this figure.